Texas Barber Exam Study Guide PDF. Welcome to the quiz. An implement that has come into contact with blood or body fluid must be: is it A, wiped with alcohol immediately? Or B, cleaned and then disinfected with an EPA-registered disinfectant? C, placed back in solution for the standard time? Or D, discarded immediately? The answer is B. Blood or body fluid contact classifies the implement as potentially contaminated with bloodborne pathogens, so universal precautions, OSHA/TDLR, require first thorough cleaning to remove all visible soil, blood, organic matter, using soap, detergent, enzymatic cleaner if needed. Then full disinfection with an EPA-registered tuberculocidal or hospital-level disinfectant for the required contact time to ensure pathogens are killed, because wiping alone doesn't remove debris and immersion without cleaning reduces effectiveness. Alcohol wipe, A, inadequate for blood contact. Immediate re-immersion without cleaning, C, ineffective. Discard, D, only if porous, single-use, or damaged, not for metal tools. Clean then disinfect sequence is mandatory for safety. Next question. A wet disinfectant jar must have A. Is it A, locking lid? Or B, tight-fitting lid? C, perforated tray at the bottom? Or D, see-through window? The answer is C. Wet disinfectant jars, for immersion disinfection, require a perforated tray or rack at the bottom to keep implements fully submerged without touching the container bottom, where sediment bacteria can accumulate, ensuring complete contact with solution for effective killing. TDLR and standard sanitation guidelines specify this design to prevent recontamination. Locking lid, A, unnecessary for function. Tight-fitting lid, B, good for evaporation but not the key feature. See-through window, D, helpful but not required. Perforated tray is essential for proper immersion hygiene. Next question. The muscle that covers the top of the skull is the: is it A, temporalis? Or B, epicranius? C, trapezius? Or D, platysma? The answer is B. The epicranius, also occipitofrontalis, is the broad, thin muscle sheet covering the top of the skull from frontal to occipital regions, with frontalis raising eyebrows and occipitalis pulling scalp back. Important in barbering for understanding scalp massage, tension release during services, and head anatomy for cutting. Temporalis, A, is chewing muscle at sides. Trapezius, C, upper back/neck. Platysma, D, neck sheet. Epicranius specifically covers skull top. Next question. The blood supply for hair growth comes from the: is it A, hair follicle? Or B, hair bulb? C, dermal papilla? Or D, erector pili muscle? The answer is C. The dermal papilla at the base of the follicle is a cluster of connective tissue and blood vessels that nourishes the hair matrix cells in the bulb, providing oxygen, nutrients, and growth signals essential for anagen growth phase. Without papilla blood supply, hair cannot grow or regenerate. Follicle, A, is structure, not supplier. Bulb, B, contains matrix but nourished by papilla. Erector pili, D, causes goosebumps, no nutrition role. Dermal papilla is the key vascular source. Next question. The three main layers of the hair shaft are: is it A, cortex, medulla, sebum? Or B, cuticle, cortex, medulla? C, follicle, root, shaft? Or D, epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous? The answer is B. The hair shaft, visible dead part, consists of three layers: outermost cuticle, overlapping scales protecting inner layers; middle cortex, main strength keratin bulk color pigment; innermost medulla, central core variable present in thick hairs. Understanding layers helps barbers assess damage, porosity, chemical processing effects. Sebum, A, is oil, not layer. Follicle/root/shaft, C, are overall parts, not shaft layers. Skin layers, D, unrelated. Cuticle, cortex, medulla are the shaft's histological layers. Next question. Alopecia is the technical term for. Is it A, excessive hair growth? Or B, hair loss? C, split ends? Or D, gray hair? The answer is B. Alopecia refers to any form of hair loss partial or complete from autoimmune, areata, androgenic, pattern, traction, or other causes. Barbers must recognize types as some contraindicate services or require referral. Excessive growth, A, is hypertrichosis/hirsutism. Split ends, C, trichoptilosis. Gray, D, canides. Alopecia equals hair loss broadly. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.